Welcome to Jackal DIY and Tech. In this video, we'll take a look at a touchless proximity sensor that is built quite easily using Arduino. In this demo, I have lights going up and down and I'm not touching the plexiglass, and once 12 seconds passes, the light changes. So as you can see, I just have an LED strip connected to the chip. In this case, it's at Mega 32U4. I have some plexiglass from a monitor on top of aluminum foil. And the plexiglass also has the diffusion or the white sheet at the back so that the light bounces. Now let me connect the LEDs back in. Now, admittedly, I was touching the foil a little bit, but depending on the values that you use, the sheet that you use, like how big it is, then you actually don't need to be so close. But in this specific case, I did want to actually put my hand on top of the plexiglass, which means that I did not want to trigger it while the hand was, well, above the plexiglass. So this works, and how do you connect it? Well, you need, in this case I used 1 mega ohm resistor from pin 15 to pin 9, I believe. And basically I connected a piece of foil to also pin 9. And in this case, as you can see, I was just touching one side of the resistor and it triggered. And if I connect it back, then this acts as a huge like antenna, so anything that then goes over it will trigger the proximity sensor, but this also means that you cannot use anything metal, which is the issue that I'm currently having. Monitors usually have some casing that is metal on the back, while I did isolate the aluminum from the metal using some paper. That does not do anything because the metal then also acts as an antenna. So I will have to make a cutout and see if that works. And this will basically be a part of a bigger project that I'm currently working on. What I'm using the foil, this will just serve as a fake hand scan. So when a user puts their hand close, the scan will start. But of course, as you can see, it's only an aluminum foil, so at most this is like a button. But it does look a lot cooler than just simply pressing a button. That's it for this quick video. If you found it helpful and would like to see more cool Arduino stuff, let me know in the comments down below and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one.